Welcome to the IXACT Contact tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the marketing email templates that come preloaded with your IXACT Contact account. These templates do the bulk of the design work for you, leaving you to simply insert your own text and graphics in order to easily create your own professional, attractive, and compelling marketing email communications. All email templates, including both the preloaded ones and any that you create yourself, can be found by clicking Mass Email in the main menu. The templates referred to in this video are all found under the Marketing category. To see what a template looks like, simply click the template name in the list and scroll down to the email content area. Each template contains a number of placeholders that you will replace with your own text and pictures. As you look through the various templates, you will notice that the additional email options pre-selected for each one depends on the content of the template. For instance, the just listed and just sold cards and flyers have been designed to allow you to include your name and contact information right in the body of the piece. So we have excluded the email header and signature options. For the newsletter templates, we have taken the opposite approach. The newsletter itself does not include your name and contact information, so we have included the email header and signature that you can set up in your user profile. The templates are yours to do what you wish with, so of course, you were able to change these settings if you like. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use one of the newsletter templates. Once you know how to use one template, you should be able to apply this knowledge to use any of the marketing templates provided with IXACT Contact. It is important to note that you need to work with the templates carefully in order to maintain the integrity of the designs. If you do not closely follow the instructions described here, you may run the risk of distorting the overall look of the final piece you are creating. To work with a template, start by clicking the template name in the marketing emails list. Then scroll down to the email content area. You can expand the area by dragging the right bottom corner of the content area to make more visible. First, we'll insert a picture into the template. You will notice that each template has a number of placeholders for pictures. The image placeholders are the gray boxes with the instructions. The placeholder image instructions provide information on the optimal dimensions for each picture. In order to insert your own picture, start by clicking the placeholder image. Then, click the Insert Image button in the editor toolbar. To upload a picture, click the Upload button, select the picture from your computer, and your picture is uploaded and will appear in the image list. Click the picture to highlight it, but before inserting it, it is very important that the dimensions match those required by the template. The optimal size for this picture is 600 pixels wide, which is preset for you. In order to ensure that your image retains the correct proportions and does not become distorted, you should only enter the width or the height and not both. So I'm going to leave the width of 600 and remove the height altogether. Now click the Insert button at the bottom of the page, and the picture is inserted, replacing the placeholder. You can repeat this process for any other pictures in the template. I'm going to insert one of the article header pictures. I click the placeholder, click the Insert Image button in the editor toolbar, and in this case, I have previously uploaded the picture. I'm going to select it, leave the width and remove the height, and click Insert. And there's my article picture. And I would repeat this process for all other pictures in the template. Now I'm going to insert my own text into the template. For each of the text placeholders, you can either type your own text directly into the template or copy and paste text from your own document. To type directly into the document, simply highlight the placeholder text and start typing. I can do this for both article copy and also for the title. To copy and paste text from somewhere else, simply copy the text from the document. I have a document ready. Return to IXACT. Highlight the text to replace. And the next step is very important. In order to ensure that you retain the text formatting of the template, make sure you right-click the highlighted text and select Paste as Plain Text from the menu. And there I have inserted the article text for one of the articles. You would follow the same steps for the other articles you wish to insert. The newsletter templates have been designed to accommodate a number of articles. The template I am working with now can accommodate up to 6 articles. If you don't have that many articles, you can simply delete the areas with the articles you don't need. I'm going to delete the heading and the text for the article at the bottom of the template. I do this by clicking anywhere in the cell and clicking the button labeled Delete Row in the editor toolbar. I would do this for the article copy, the article headings, and the article header images. And now I just have room for up to 4 articles. Before setting the rest of the options for your email, like the subject and the recipient list, you might want to save your customized version to your template library. You may want to do this if you want to reuse the actual piece in the future, or if this version of the template now more closely resembles what you would want to create in the future. To save the template, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Email as Template. Be sure to enter a new template name so that you don't override the existing template that was preloaded for you. You can leave the categories marketing or select a different category, and you can enter an optional description. Once you've done, click Save, and you have now saved your own version of the template. And upon returning to my template list, there is my own version in addition to the preloaded version. You can now get started using the library of preloaded marketing templates found in IXACT Contact to quickly and easily create professional, attractive graphical marketing emails.